Now let's discuss some of the more common processes for design for Six Sigma. There is no one right or wrong process. Like all Six Sigma methods and tools, we pick the approach that best serves our needs. There are many design for Six Sigma methodologies in use today. One of the more common approaches is IDOV. IDOV stands for Identify, Design, Optimize, and Validate. We can identify through a team charter, voice of the customer, QFD, FMEA, and benchmarking. In the design phase, we emphasize CTQs, identify functional requirements, develop alternatives, evaluate, and select. In Optimize, we use process capability information, statistical tolerancing, robust design, and various Six Sigma tools to arrive at the optimum solution. Validate mandates us to test and validate the design. Another common approach is DMAVDIV. DMAVDIV stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. First, we define the project goals and customer needs. Next, we measure and determine customer needs and specifications. We use this information to analyze the process options to meet these needs. With the customer needs identified, we will design the process details to meet customer needs. Finally, verify and validate the design performance. Another approach is DMAVDOV. DMAVDOV is closely related to DMAVDIV. We first define project goals and customer requirements. We also want to specify who the customer will be. Next, we measure and determine customer needs. A benchmarking activity of our competitors and the industry would be highly useful. Once we understand what the customer wants, we need to analyze our options to deliver these needs. This is our opportunity to be creative. We proceed to design our process to accommodate these needs. Next, we optimize the process. We seek to refine and assess performance levels, redesign and adjust to attain the best alignment. Finally, we verify and validate our work just before deployment. One of the strengths of DMAIC comes in its analytical emphasis on data. DMEDI is an alternative that incorporates data into designing new robust processes. DMEDI is suited for products well ahead of customer demand, what we would deem as delighters in the Kano model. Customers typically do not yet realize a need for these products or services. Nevertheless, they can leverage considerable competitive advantage. The define and measure phases are identical to those found in DMAIC. However, more emphasis is placed on defining customers and their needs in the measure phase. Explore seeks to conceptualize designs of a new process that satisfies customer needs and specifications in the most effective manner. Develop selects the strongest candidate of the conceptual design. Implement puts the best design through simulation tests to verify its efficacy in meeting customer needs.